all the shit you gotta deal with. This is the man working on the job. I have one question for you, sir. How do you feel about this new motor being taken apart? And what do you got to tell the other Toyota technicians? You hear that? This job will make or break your career. Supposedly we got
for the money, that's for sure.
Definitely not for the money. Supposedly it's 28, 29 hours for this whole job. And you definitely have to be certified to work on this type of car, this recall. But this is what you got to deal with.